Hey there, future homeowners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2024. Do I need a real estate agent to buy a house? This is a question many of you have been asking, especially with all the changes happening in the real estate world. So let's break it down together. Now let's talk about a big change coming in August 2024, the way real estate commissions are handled. See, traditionally the seller pays the commissions for both their agent and the buyer's agent, with these costs built into the home's listing price. But recent legal settlements and industry changes are shaking things up. The National Association of Realtors has agreed to eliminate the practice of sellers paying the buyer's agent commission. This means buyers might need to pay their agent directly, which could change how we approach home buying and budgeting. So what does this mean for you? It means that having a knowledgeable and experienced agent is even more crucial than ever. They can help you navigate these changes and ensure you get the best deal possible. Now let's talk about a common misconception: dual agency. Some buyers think they will save some money going directly to the listing agent, believing they can negotiate a better deal since the seller won't have to pay a buyer's commission. But here's what they don't fully understand about dual agency. In Maryland, it's illegal for one agent to represent both the buyer and the seller in the same transaction. The listing agent owes a fiduciary duty to the seller, which means they must act in the seller's best interest. Even if the listing agent seems nice and helpful, they cannot represent you, the buyer, because their loyalty lies with the seller. Be cautious when considering working with the listing agent. While they might seem helpful, remember, they're primarily focused on getting the best deal for the seller, not you. Even before commission rules changed, if an unrepresented buyer contacted the seller's agent, the agent would still earn a commission, known as double-ending the deal. Considering this, it's wise to have your own agent who will represent your interests, negotiate on your behalf, and handle their professional fee with the seller. This way, you'll have someone dedicated to fighting for you and ensuring you get the best outcome possible. First, let's talk about what a real estate agent actually does. A real estate agent is your guide through the complex process of buying a home. They help you find properties, negotiate offers, and handle all the paperwork. But is it really necessary to have one in 2024? With so many online tools and resources, it's tempting to think you can do this alone. But here's the thing, those tools can't replace the expertise and personal touch of a real estate agent. Allow me to share a story about a couple I represented as their buyer's agent. They had found their dream home and we were ready to make an offer. But something felt off to me about the seller's disclosures. The seller had provided an invoice to his agent claiming that significant issues had been repaired, and his agent shared that invoice with us. They also offered to accept our lower offer if we waived the home inspection contingency, instead of going with a higher offer that included an inspection. My experience made me suspicious of the situation. Actually, very suspicious. Despite the seller's enticing offer, I advised my clients not to waive the inspection. Surprisingly, our offer was still accepted, and the seller's agent mentioned that the seller had a strong feeling they wanted to sell the house to my clients. Still, I couldn't shake my concerns off and decided to continue with my due diligence. The repair cost on the invoice seemed unusually low for the alleged work, raising a huge red flag. After the home inspection contingency had expired and upon further investigation, we discovered that the invoice was fake and that there were additional undisclosed issues with the property. Recognizing the potential financial disaster, I recommended that my clients back out of the deal. The seller became difficult and refused to return my client's $20,000 deposit. Using my connections with local real estate attorneys, I tirelessly fought to protect my client's interests and not to get off the trail here because many things happened with this transaction. But we eventually convinced the seller to just release the deposit and even refund the cost of the home inspection in exchange to avoid a lengthy legal battle. In the end, my instincts and experience and determination, of course, saved my clients thousands of dollars and spared them the stress of a court case. This experience emphasizes the importance of working with a dedicated buyer's agent who will go above and beyond to protect your best interests. Okay, so now let's dive into a few key benefits of having a real estate agent by your side. 1. Trust and ethics. Real estate agents who are members of the National Association of Realtors adhere to a strict code of ethics, ensuring honesty and transparency in all transactions. This means they put your interests ahead of their own and make full disclosures about any problems with the property. Number 2, accurate pricing. Experienced agents can set a price on a home the minute they walk through the door. They know the market well enough to identify if a house is overpriced or even underpriced, saving you time and money. Expert repair negotiation. The touchiest part of a real estate purchase can involve requesting repairs. Agents can identify potential issues you might not see and recommend trusted inspectors. They also know what's reasonable to request and what might be excessive, ensuring you don't scare off the seller with unreasonable demands. Number 4, streamlined paperwork and contingency management. Buying a home involves a mountain of paperwork. Agents manage all the documents such as offer contracts, inspection reports, and closing documents, ensuring everything is signed, sealed, and delivered correctly. By doing so, they minimize the risk of missing critical details that could delay or derail your purchase. Buyer agents representatives also help you navigate important contingency clauses in your offer, such as financing, inspections, and appraisal contingencies. While not every contingency allows for an easy exit, your agent will work tirelessly to include appropriate provisions that protect your interests. They make sure you have a well-defined pathway to withdraw from the contract without repercussions if you discover the house no longer meets your needs or if unforeseen issues arise during the transaction. Inside information and professional connections. Buyer agents can access valuable inside information, such as off-market listings, giving you a competitive edge in the fast-paced real estate market. Their connections to industry professionals, including lenders, inspectors, attorneys, etc., help you streamline the buying process, ensuring that every step is handled efficiently and professionally. Although everything may appear smooth and effortless from your perspective, it's important to recognize that a great agent skillfully manages various hurdles and challenges behind the scenes. They proactively tackle issues before they even become significant problems. They negotiate with various parties on your behalf and coordinate the entire process to make it seamless and gratifying buying experience. Calm negotiation. Buying a home can be emotional. Agents handle negotiations objectively, helping you avoid making decisions based on feelings rather than facts. They can keep the deal alive by finding common ground when negotiations get tough. Understanding local rules. Agents know the local zoning laws and rules that affect what you can do with your property. If you plan to make changes like building a fence or converting a garage, they will help you follow the rules and avoid expensive problems or legal trouble in the future. Their local knowledge helps keep you safe from issues that might come up later. Record keeping. Agents keep detailed records of all transactions, which can be invaluable if questions arise years down the road. This documentation can provide peace of mind long after the sale, ensuring you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Smooth closings. As you approach closing, various issues can arise. An experienced agent can foresee and resolve potential problems, ensuring a smooth transaction. They handle unexpected title issues, financing delays, and other last-minute problems so you don't have to. In conclusion, while it is possible to buy a home without an agent, having an experienced agent with a track record of success can save you time, money, and lots of headaches. Remember that even in states where one agent can represent both the buyer and the seller, it can create confusion because it raises the question, whose best interest does the agent truly have at heart? From spotting red flags to navigating new commission structures, a good agent is worth their weight in gold. I hope these tips have been helpful and empowering for you. If you're planning to buy or sell a home in Maryland, I'd be delighted to help you through the process. And even if you're not in my area, I can connect you with a knowledgeable buyer's agent in your area who has the skills you need to help you navigate this ever-changing real estate market. You can find my contact information in the description box below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on my latest content. Best wishes with your home search, and I'm excited to see you in my next video. Bye.